Let's start our tutorial today. Go to Chrome and we go to Gmail. And we click the right menu. Go to the Google Drive. And we can add a new Google document, Google Sheet, Google Slider, or more. We have many options here. Okay, so in my case, I just add a Google document. Then I can type anything here. We have almost many of the function or the format you can choose. You also can share a link. Now it's private to me, so you need to put your name of your document, or without you can skip. And then the email address you want to share, you can put any email address you want to share this document to, or you can get the shareable link and pass to the person. So I just copy, it's copy already, link, copy link. I will pass it link to anyone I want to share, and then open, they can view. It's very convenient for the Google Drive. You also can upload your document and just share. Thank you for watching.